Lyniyah, hello, I have another story for you. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips, his coat drips, his boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. Wow, that was an interesting story. What do you do when you go in the rain? What color is your umbrella? My umbrella is black, and when I go in the rain, I tend to walk really fast to try to get indoors quickly. Talk to you soon.